So friends, today is very important topic that we are going to discuss, which is best IAS coaching center in Pune. First of all, I want to tell you the answer of one very basic question that people ask from us: how is Pune for UPSC and civil services examination? First of all, I want to tell you one very basic thing that you need to understand. Pune is perfect city for UPSC and civil services examination preparation. There was a time when people used to go to Delhi or other places for doing the UPSC or civil services examination preparation. But now at your own place, all facilities required to do IAS preparation is available. Now in Pune itself, you will be finding best IAS coaching institute with best infrastructure and best facilities. Not only this, these coaching institute is having very good past year results as well. When we tell you the best IS coaching in Pune, we have kept this parameter in mind that UPSC coaching institute should have best past year result, best facilities, to which can help you to prepare for UPSC examination from Pune location in very best manner. To help you in finalizing the best IAS coaching center in Pune, we are going to use the ranking given by blog.oureducation.in. Let me tell you, blog.oureducation.in is very old organization for providing ranking and review to the top UPSC coaching centers within the city. Look at the graph which is provided by blog.oureducation.in for top IS coaching in Pune. As you can see that rank 1 coaching is Plutus IS Academy, rank 2 IS coaching is Paradigm IS Academy, rank 3 coaching institute is Abhyankar IS Academy in Pune. Guys, I want to tell you one very important information. This is the complete research report that you need to read, which is being made by blog.oureducation.in, that you need to read to know the full information about these UPSC coaching institute, like the fees structure, past year result, infrastructure, students rating. Okay, as per our education ranking, these are the top 5 IS coaching institute in Pune. I want to bring this information in front of you. Plutus IS Academy. This is very good UPSC coaching institute. As you can see, even in the ranking of top IS coaching in Pune, rank 1 IS coaching is Plutus IS Academy. The good part of Plutus IS Academy is, as of now, they are giving online interactive coaching to the UPSC aspirants, because now in the time of COVID-19, preparing for IAS exam by going to the coaching is very difficult, right? As of now, even most of the UPSC coaching centers are not operating. This is the reason Plutus IAS Coaching Institute is offering online interactive live IAS classes. This model is something is, it's like by being at home you will be feeling like you are doing classroom based coaching. Let's see the ranking of best IS coaching in Pune by other top organization. instituterank.com, as the name itself says, instituterank.com. instituterank.com ranking to best IS coaching in Pune is Plutus IS Academy as the rank 1 coaching. See, we should always look at the ranking given by other top websites as well. Rank 2 IS coaching in Pune is the Hindu Zone as per instituterank.com. I will also paste the report created by instituterank.com in the description box. Third best IS coaching in Pune as per instituterank.com is Yojana IS Academy. Yojana IS Coaching Institute management is very good. They provide continuous monitoring to the students looking to do IS preparation from Pune. Visit the Pulse Face website. You will be finding in our top 10 list of best IS coaching in Pune. Plutus IS Academy is at rank 1. So guys, are you able to see different websites are telling that the rank 1 IS coaching institute is Plutus IS Academy? Every details fee structure is also mentioned over here. Friends, you can download your notes. If you want to download IS notes, you can even download the notes from onlinekhanmarket.com. And one more thing, if you want to have counseling or counseling session on how to take IAS classes or which IAS class I should choose as per my optional subject, then you should definitely visit thehinduzone.com. Pulseface.in is also saying that you need to visit thehinduzone.com for live interactive classes, live lectures, recorded lectures. Basically at thehinduzone.com you will be finding a lot of UPSC coaching centers registered under this, and there are a lot of counselors which will give you the customized information on which course is best suited for you. Means there are different optional subject in IS, right? And there are short term IS course, long term IS course. So the counselors of thehinduzone.com will guide you which is the best course for you for IS preparation, and they will provide you the course from thehinduzone.com. And let me clarify you, the courses of IS, I mean IS coaching that you will be enrolling from thehinduzone.com will be at the cheaper price anywhere in India. Means if you go to the coaching directly, it will, you have to pay more, but if you enroll coaching from thehinduzone.com, you will be having edge of less fees. Second best IS coaching in Pune as per pulseface.in is Pioneer IS Academy. Third best IS coaching in Pune as per Pulseface is Paradism IS Coaching Institute. So friends, how did you like our video on top IS coaching centers in Pune? Please tell us in the description box, in the comment section. You need to visit thehinduzone.com. This is very good website and you should visit this if you are preparing for IS examination. Thehinduzone.com. Yes, you need to fill the this form, and you will be able to get the counseling from the top people at thehinduzone.com. And there is chat button, right? You can even chat with the counselors here as well. Guys, as I have told you, there are different courses available at thehinduzone.com. So you can select your IS coaching from thehinduzone.com. As you are able to see, Plutus IS is conducting counseling session on 18th July. Do attend this session. It will definitely help you in finalizing the best coaching center for IS preparation, friends. Okay, and it is free counseling, so it will not ask for even a single penny. Okay, so do attend the counseling session of Plutus IS Academy. You will get to know what Plutus IS Coaching Institute is offering. It is the rank 1 coaching institute by different websites, as I have showed you, right? So please do tell us in the comment section that how did you like our video on top IS coaching in Pune. And if you are also searching for top IS coaching in Pune, you can ask your queries in the comment section. Happy learning. Be associated with GTV Education and Exams.